Hi, this is my Volvo V70 up for sale. I'll try to show you as much as I can. That's a 2008 model with the D5 engine with the geartronic gearbox, and it's really pulling good. There's no any faults with the engine, no any faults with the gearbox. Just recently serviced in December. That's a boot operate from the key fob. You can open the boot with the one key. The boot is really spacious. There's no really any bad marks on it. And the only thing is that chopping divider, one of the hinges is broken, so well, obviously that hinge is going with the car, but it's not fixed, so that's the only thing. But that doesn't really bother me. It's still fully functional, and when you fold the seats, it's really big on the back. What else? Show you on the back it works. The upholstery, it's really good condition. There's no any scarves, no any tears on the seats. As you can see, I really looked after that car. It's my only one car. It's a family car, obviously the kids going in the back, but even that, there is some rules on my car. It cannot be braked, so electric seats, both passenger and driver. They are heated as well. As you can see, there's no any faults on the dash.
For you who demand more, who make every pound and penny count. You spend life well, take a big
The stereo is really kicking.
round.
It's really good stereo for that car. Like,
With crunchy nachos, 3 saver subs, available every day.
there's the engine.
£2.59. And golden
It's like xenon lights and all, so it's quite a good option. Just recently replaced oil, as I said, so the engine got the service. All the fluids are okay. You can see the timing was done twice. The reason for that, the genuine Volvo water pump started leaking after 3 years, so I replaced the timing again just in the March previous year, 2018. So I think that's it, guys. The only last thing I would like to mention is roof rails. I just resprayed them because the paint was peeling off a bit, so the roof rails look like brand new. Good job, I made it.